All right, hello. Today's academic lesson is talking about some relaxation techniques. We'll do a little bit of yoga in class, but yoga can just be another way to help relax a little bit. So, we all have stressors in our lives, right? Stressors affect us in all different ways. We have all different stress, and we can handle them differently. Okay, some ways might work for me, and they might not work for you. So, we're going to talk about 6 different tips today that you can hopefully use to help you relax your mind, help you maybe get some physical activity in if you choose to do some yoga, and then hopefully just get those endorphins flowing and feel a little bit better. So, tip number 1 today is exhaling. So, it sounds simple because we do it every day, we breathe every day. But if you slow down your mind and you start focusing on your breathing, it'll help relax you. Okay, if you hold it for 5 seconds going in, hold it for 3, and then out for 5 seconds, 10 times. Okay, if you have a clear mind while you do that, it's almost guaranteed to be more relaxed and feeling better at the end of it all. All right, while you're focusing on those exhales, it's calming your nervous system and help bringing you back down from whatever might be stressing you out. Tip number 2, you want to focus your mind here on your conscious breathing. Okay, so we're not only focusing on our breathing, okay, but really just trying to eliminate all the stressors in our lives. Just focus on the task at hand, whether it's homework, whether it's being present with the people that you're in the room with, whatever it is, just try to focus your mind and practice that skill of being present and trying not to be distracted and being anywhere else. Minimize external noise. So we all have different factors at home and in school that really distract us. Okay, whether it's your phone, your TV, the kids playing outside, your siblings, find a way to minimize that. Put in some headphones, play some relaxing music, maybe turn the lights down, do whatever you got to do, but find a way to minimize that external noise to help you relax, help you de-stress a little bit. Number 4 here is turn our negative thoughts into our positive thoughts. Okay, your thoughts become your habits become your life. So if you have negative thoughts all the time, you're gonna have negative habits. Okay, you're gonna lead a pretty negative life. If we think about turning something in positive, okay, even if it's just one more thing that you're grateful for a day, okay, with a positive mindset than a negative, okay, it's going to lead to a better day. We're going to see it differently as you guys learn in Wellness 1, all about the frame, okay? So the way you see things is, at the end of the day, going to affect what you get. Tip number 5, which is my personal favorite, laugh. So if you're super stressed about something, you need to relax. We probably all get on TikTok, okay, or watch a funny show, look up some funny YouTube videos, whatever it is. Okay, find a way to laugh, hang out with your funny friends. There is nothing better than a good belly laugh to just de-stress for whatever is going on in your life. And the last tip here is, like all things, you have to practice to be good at it, right? So you're not going to be able to be somebody who's really good at relaxing or really good at de-stressing, really good at calming their mind down. Okay, you have to consciously practice minimizing that external noise, focusing your mind, and breathing. Okay, all of these things take practice. Hopefully these are some tips that can help you relax, and we'll be ready to do some yoga in class next week.